Today we are going to prepare healthy foods. What is healthy food?
Comida saudável.
Today we are going to prepare snack. Giovanna, can you peel the other carrot, please? This one.
É pra você fazer a mesma coisa que eu tô
Yes.
fazendo.
Só a outra
This one. Peel this one as well. Now guys, the next step is grate the carrots. Grate. What is grate?
Ralar a cenoura.
Yes.
Professor.
Now only we'll need another volunteer to cut tomatoes. Could be Isabella, please. No, that one could be. Yes. Cut tomatoes. Guys, pay attention, girls. It needs to be really thin slices. Slices.
É pra cortar os tomates em rodelas. Rodelas finas.
Next step. Now, Pietro and Isaac will peel the cucumber and
Cortar o pepino em
yes,
rodelas.
and cut.
Ah, deixa eu. Corta bonitinho, tá?
Isaac and Pietro. Now we have all the ingredients ready, so it's time to start our preparation. So first thing we're going to need is the bread, and we're going to use the pate. We have a pate, and also have mayonnaise, for the ones who want ketchup, and mustard. Okay, so we are going to have a line. So each one, Leonardo, silence. We are going to come in here this way and prepare our sandwich. In the meantime, Nicole and the girls will prepare the lemonade to us, okay?
Eu só ia falar aqui pra você.
Get in line, and everyone, each one will prepare your own sandwich. So it's up to you, choose whenever you want. So for example, I don't want cucumber, you just something. Okay, can we please give the space? Because they will pass this way. So you can start, Stephanie. You can prepare your own sandwich. Mariana and Anna, you can prepare the lemonade. So first step, we are going to cut the limes.